Hello natural beauty lovers, welcome back to My Cosmetic School. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful Melt+Proof soap. Visit the school website and download your guide. It's available in English and Portuguese. Melt+Proof soap is a great option for beginners. All you have to do is to melt the pre-made base, customize it with your favorite colors and scents, and pour it into a mold. Anyone can do it, including children. So this is my melted soap, as you can see. And now the only thing that I'm gonna do is add the poppy seed, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of color. This is not on the guide, but I've decided to add it later. Because this is a lemon and poppy seed soap, and I thought it would make sense to make it a little bit yellow. So I've added the poppy seed, the color, and then I'm gonna add lemon essential oil. Don't forget to visit the school website and download your guide, where you will find all information about how I make this product, the ingredients that I use, the right amount that you need, everything is available in Portuguese and English. It's this simple, guys. Now I'm just gonna pour it into my mold and allow it to dry. You can be as creative as possible. You can add oils, butters, fragrances, colors, exfoliants, dry flowers, anything. I've decided to add the dry lemons just to show you how creative you can be. And this is it, my beautiful Melt+Proof lemon and poppy seed soap. As you can see, I've just left them to dry at room temperature, and this is the result. They're ready to be used. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.